When it comes to sales and marketing, sales persuasion, sales crossing, it's one of the best skill you can get for high income, and also which is high in demand, because there is no business which can survive without doing those sales. Remember that acquiring high income skill is a critical step towards starting that successful business. These skills not only elevate your personal value, but they also enhance your performance and the longevity of your venture. As business landscape continues to evolve, it is adaptability and investment in this competence that will keep your business competitive and flourishing. Okay? These skills not only elevate your personal value, but also it enhances your performance and longevity of your venture. As business landscape continues to evolve, it is your adaptability and investment in these competencies that will keep your business competitive and flourishing. Become somebody you have never been before. For you have got a plan, okay?